forward, backward, over the seven seas. So
Never steered to windward on the Great Lakes fishing trade. He never shouted.
Lift it up. That's where the fireboat probably is.
Festival here in Duluth. Oh, I think it's wonderful. I love the ships. I love seeing all these young sailors learning how to sail all over the world. I wish I could do it too.
300 feet of water. You want to have a bunch of lines.
It's like the captain's quarters, maybe?
Giant.
Beautiful.
Here's the kitchen and a restaurant.
Welcome to the galley.
it's actually a lighthouse because it has light bulbs. When I was 5, I took a dive and headed out to sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said, "Stop."
Her jaws are dropped and her mouth goes